We're going to go over how to do a cash receipts delete. Cash receipts delete is used to remove a payment on a particular date. If a payment was entered with a wrong payment type, for example, maybe it was a Discover versus a bank card, you can use cash receipts delete to remove that payment. You'll need to know the receipt number and the date of the payment to be able to use cash receipts delete. Cash receipts, to find the receipt number and the payment, you would have most likely discovered your error as you were going through the daily sales and receipt report. I'm going to look at our sample data for FL3 from today. And on here, our test customer, Mr. Wizard, we took in a payment of $2,500, and we're going to assume that this should have been a Discover versus a bank card. To correct that, you would need to write down the receipt number, use cash receipts delete, and then re-enter the payment in the correct manner. So in here, our receipt number is 333-11127 on the date of 05/30/18, which was applied to invoice number that ended in 1101. Once I have that information, the receipt number and the date, I can go under receivable, cash receipts delete. I can enter the receipt number 333-11127 with a date of 05/30/18 and click OK. This shows me what invoice that receipt was applied to, and I can click yes to delete the receipt. Now the receipt has been deleted. If you wanted to verify, you could always go and run your daily sales and receipts again for that day. And on here, there should be no payments listed now. That is how you use cash receipts delete. You would then go under receivable cash receipts entry to re-enter the payment with the appropriate payment type.